Factor the polynomial. They give you a polynomial and ask you to factor. Now, if you notice, we have 4 terms. We have 2 terms here and 2 terms here. So therefore, I'm going to be factoring by grouping. I'm going to group 2 at a time, and I'm going to take the factors of each group. So what can I factor out of the 8 and the 36? So what is the biggest number that divides 8 and also divides 36? Will be 4. And they both have x's, so how many x's can I factor out? This one has 3 and this one has 2, so I can factor out 2 of them from each one. And what's left behind? What do I need to multiply 4x squared to end up with 8x to the third? Will be 2x. What do I need to multiply 4x squared to end up with negative 36x squared? So 4 times negative 9, and I don't need another x. And we are going to take out the factors from the second one. What kind of factors are the 2, out of the 10 and the 45? I can factor out a 5. But since this is first term is negative, you want to factor out a negative 5. And we go through the process. What do I need to multiply negative 5 to end up with the negative 10x? Will be 2x. Negative 5 multiplied by what is positive 45 will be negative 9. This one should always be the same when you do a factor by grouping. So we're going to group 4x squared minus 5, and the 2x minus 9 only gets written down once. This is just like distribute property backwards. So basically you distribute the 4x squared to both of them, which is written here, and then you distribute the negative 5 to both of them, which is written right here. So we're just working backwards. In this case, your answer is 4x squared minus 5, 2x minus 9, so your answer is D. Now be careful. Sometimes you can still factor this out if this was like a 9 or a 25, then that'll be the difference of 2 squares. Since this is just a 5, it's 9 squared, can no longer be factored out. But in this case, your answer will be letter D.